Hi, welcome to another video. Thought I'd do something a little bit different this time, and that is tear down the Canon EOS 5D. This is the original full frame sensor, 12 megapixels. This one is dead, so you know, it's basically dead, and so it doesn't really matter that we're taking it apart. I don't think it's fixable. It's probably got some kind of corrosion or water damage or something like that. Meaning that it's probably uneconomical to repair. So yeah, let's just start taking this apart. The main thing is checking that I've got the right screwdriver bit. And I'll go one smaller. Maybe smaller again. Yeah, that looks pretty good. It's raining, so this might be quite relaxing if you can hear the rain. Nice Sunday evening activity. Normally, you shouldn't really be seeing this kind of dust coming out of this, which does lead me to believe that it is water damage and, you know, some kind of either salty or chalky water. And this isn't a guide on how to do it, because there's probably better instructions online about this already. This lets us, or should let us, open this backup battery for the clock, unless I then need to undo some other screws. Would have thought this would just slide open, but maybe not, without undoing these extra screws. That's where the battery is, and let's have a look what it is. That is a CR2016 3 volts cell battery. also a screw there, but I'm going to try and avoid removing that straight away. That's how you remove that. That like this. And we've got some more screws underneath. So this bottom section looks like it's ready to come off, almost. This is the wrong screw bit. we're going to find extra screws under the grip. Right, find one under here. Yep, a couple under there on the side. So there's a ribbon cable connecting the screen and the controls on the back. This should just unclip. So this one goes like that. This one I'm guessing is the same. Yep. So that's the back piece with the screen. We didn't need to do anything with this yet. This is the back of the camera. And we're going to want to get to the other side of this to get to the sensor. Got these 4 screws and various different things are connected. So let's keep going. Okay, so let's unclip all of these. Unclip this one down here. Looks like this is kind of connected. Pull these out of the way. Okay, so we've got this is just a circuit board. There's another connector under this metal thing. That's a little bit tricky. That's is soldered in place, and I think the wire under there goes to the sensor, or at least that's what it looks like. Not entirely sure if we can unplug that. Let's have another look. Okay, so I'm going to unplug this bit. Okay, so we've just got one extra wire or ribbon cable connection. Let's see if I can undo this bit. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, I think we've got, almost got, and there's one more screw. So way back there, down this hole. So this is the shutter unit at the back, and the separate blades. And this is the sensor. So yeah, there's a couple of ribbon cables going to it. One here looks very difficult to disconnect, as it's covered up by this metal, and it feeds into this whole thing here. So yeah, that's the full frame sensor from a Canon EOS 5D. Looks pretty cool. And the pink is the infrared filter over the top of it. On the back we've got some writing there. If we can take this off, see what the back of it looks like. Looks like we can. Oh, not that exciting, I suppose. And that was kind of the main thing I wanted to get out of this, the sensor. We probably didn't need to take all the other screws off, but why not? Thanks for watching. Just gonna take this bit off as well, because why not? Okay, so this so this comes off. That shows us the ribbon cable a bit clearer, and then another screw there. Does this let us remove anything else? Looks like we might be able to take this metal off. With a tiny pry tool or screwdriver bit. Seems pretty well stuck actually. I don't think it really wants to come off. So maybe we'll leave that for now. Yeah, let's leave that for now. Okay, so I've bent this out of the way, and then this lifts up, and then this should come out from the board. Yeah, so there we have just the sensor and the associated cables, ribbon cables, and the sort of frame that holds it all in place. And once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Oh, and if you want any of these bits, like some of this rubber grip, just get in touch with me. I can probably send post to the UK and just want the postage costs covering. Yeah, may as well send it somewhere so it can get used rather than it just lying around.